So, pangalan ko na po nga is si Angelito Garcia and ako'y 27 taong gulang na nakatira sa Mandaluyong, Mandaluyong City. So, pinanganak akong ganito. So, inborn yung pagkapanganak ko na mga akong paa, na dalawang paa at saka dalawang kamay. So, before na hindi ko pa na nangara yung Rotary Walk, way back na nag-school pa ako, so medyo mahirap siya. Kasi um, mga parang mahirap yung day-to-day na transportation mo, lalo na siyempre yung sitwasyon mo is hindi normal. Pero nung na-meet ko yung Rotary is parang it changed my life na binigyan ako ng hope, bagong pag-asa. And it's life-changing nung nagkaroon ako ng paa. Yung days na hindi pa ako nakapaa is, syempre, ganun pa rin, normal days. Pero nung after na nakapaa na ako, way back last year, and nung time nun doon na nag-graduate na ako, and nung nagkapaa na ako, yun yung ginamit ko for para magkatrabaho. Inaccept ko na nga yung katotohanan na ganito ako. Pero yun nga, yung sabi ko na nung natanganga ko yung Rotary, it's life-changing talaga. Kasi parang binus yung pagkatao ko. Parang yung dating ako na parang nahihiyang lumabas sa mundo is now is parang confident na lumabas to show kung ano ako kahit hindi naman totoo yung paano niya gamit ko even though prosthetic lang. Pero yun yung naging strength ko for the young lives para mag-move forward and mag-strive sa kung ano yung pangarap ko sa buhay. It gives me confidence na mag-apply at maghanap ng trabaho. So now, yung trabaho ko ngayon is isang IT analyst sa isang call center dito sa Iloilo. Magto-2 years na ako sa company namin. Masasabi ko ngayon sa mga kapwa ko PWD is hindi kayo dapat mawalan ng pag-asa. And first of all, you need to accept kung ano yung binigay sa iyo. Kasi may reason behind yan eh. May reason behind kung bakit yan binigay sa iyo. At hindi naman ibibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon kung alam niya na hindi mo makakayang dalhin sa buhay mo. And you need to be proud kung ano ka at kung ano meron ka. Hindi mo kailangan mainggit sa ibang tao na di porket siya nga kompleto, ikaw may pulungan ka sa katawan o may diferensya. Kaya nabigay ng tulong sa akin sa aking prosthetic legs, lalo na sa Rotary, and those persons behind para mag-successful na magkapaa ko. I'm very thankful and grateful na nagkilala ko kayo kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo is hindi ko maaabot kung ano meron ako ngayon. Thank you so much, Rotary Project po.
Si Angelito, is part of our sponsorship in Mandaluyong National High School. He's one of our scholars. We have actually 120 scholars in Mandaluyong National High School, and he's a part of it. Then I think it was a graduation day when it melted the heart of past President Rebecca Maravilla. Kasi wala siya pang paano eh. Talagang nalalaya siya. They were assisting him going to the stage. So, past President Rebecca adopted him and and asked me to look for sponsors. And we are very lucky enough to know past President Lex Lud and eventually Rotary Club of Forbes Park gave us sponsorship for the two prosthetic legs of Angelito, and half of it was given by DSWD through Rotary Club of Iloilo City. And we are very happy because Angelito is already a graduate of FINMA here in Iloilo. And he's now working in Strata Building as IT rin. You know, one thing we saw from him is that There's always hope. As in, hindi siya nawala ng loob. Hindi siya there's always, he always praying na sana ganito. And he was able to acquire 2 legs. And that's, everybody in our club was really happy. And even the other members was into, when they saw the pictures, masayang-masaya sila talaga for Angelito. So through Rotary, everything became possible. Through the collaboration of different Rotary clubs, it became possible. We felt very happy. We really feel fulfilled, no? As a Rotarian. Service above self, it's really there. The service, even if you get the theme for this series, unite for good. We did unite for good. No? It's really like we were really inspired of what we do, of what we give, and of what we do for the community. I would like to say thank you to the Rotary Club of Forest Park, the Rotary Club of Metro Calibo, and the Rotary Club of Iloilo City.